Chicken rendang, a rich and comforting celebratory dish that's synonymous with Malaysian cuisine. Rendang paste combines galangal, Kashmiri chilies, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves and tamarind. The paste is slow cooked in coconut milk alongside succulent chicken. Karasik or toasted coconut is stirred through to add a creamy and nutty finish and is garnished with fragrant coriander. It pairs beautifully with vibrant pickled onions and sticky pandan coconut rice. Flavours develop even better the next day, so this is also delicious when created in advance.